Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We made it through the weekend. And now we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. I might want to stock up on these now since the coronavirus is in full effect. Hopefully everyone's safe throughout this crazy times and stock up instead of going to the grocery stores and dealing with the madness that is going on. I haven't gone to the stores yet. Not that I'm afraid. I don't know. I don't feel like dealing with that stuff right now with people and crazy fighting over toilet paper and stuff like that. So they could duke it out, have a battle royal, do whatever they want. But I'm staying home, quarantine myself, and you guys could too. And like I said, all you gotta do, click the link down below, get this shipped to your door. Amazon's still doing deliveries, so no worries about that. They're just running low on a lot of stuff on their website, so but definitely stock up on the essentials like I have, starting to at least. And this is what we need to also make sure you get your plenty of H2O. We got the Propel good stuff, strawberry lemonade. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below for each one, and I'll ship this to you pretty fast. Oh boy, this was a heavy one. There we go, and then good old Gatorade. So like I said, they got a good amount of juices and stuff like that to stock up on right now. And like I said, the canned foods are running low, but I think they got some coming in. But sure beats going to the grocery stores, waiting in lines and trying to find a parking spot. Then somebody might take something out of your cart. Then you got that flight them. That's not fun. This is a lot of fun. You just gotta wait a day or two, and they'll ship this to you fast without, getting into a fight with somebody. Especially now, it's just, I don't know anymore what to say about it. It's just kind of scary. I'm a little tweaked out. It's just no sports, and it's kind of interesting. But as long as we're still here, and ain't no EMP attack they're gonna do on us or something like that. As long as we got our electronics and our tech stuff, I think we'll be all right. But right now, stock up on your water, your Gatorade, the essentials. Don't go too crazy. Just get enough for maybe like a month. This probably lasts me a couple weeks, so I might have to reorder again, stuff like that. But right now, let's take it easy, be safe, and make sure your older folks at home are well taken care of. Like I said, you can always send packages to them too, instead of them going to the store, have somebody else get it, then they get it, and oh man, it's a mess. I can only imagine though. But yeah, we got a few cases here in Michigan where I'm at, especially in my area. They just had like 2 or 3, but according to them, probably double or tripled by this week. So stay safe. I don't know what else to say about it, but I don't know how much more we could say about it on YouTube. So, but these are the Gatorades you need. We got a Gatorade water, electrolytes, good stuff right here. Pink lemonade. Like I said, they still got the waters and stuff. No toilet paper. I couldn't find any, but they said they were stocking up on the 18th, so which should be in a couple days, I think. But that'll probably be gone too quick. But I'll leave the links down below for these two, since it is a Gatorade thing, and I could do the 2 videos in one today. So, but that is about it. I am okay on this side, but kind of scared though. So you guys be safe out there, YouTube land, and see you guys soon.